Hi everybody, and welcome to She Shaves with your host Jill. I'm Jill. So, this video I hope is going to be shorter than my last video. I have to do a mea culpa. I'm not Catholic, but I'm doing one. And this is because I have totally embarrassed myself. Totally embarrassed myself, and I'm glad somebody didn't turn me into Douglas Smythe of PAA for doing what I did in my last video when I reviewed or used the Alpha Ecliptic Slant Razor. As you see, this is the way it's supposed to be with the bottom plate on the top plate. Well, Claude Johns said, I could be wrong, but I think you had that base plate on wrong, Joe. He was right. So I'm here to redeem myself and my credibility. So this is how I had that razor on. Oops, I got it the right way. Okay, this is how well, God, I keep putting it on the right way. This is how I had the bottom cap on the top cap before. That's the wrong way. These are the lather channels, and they go the other way. So thank you, Claude Johns, for pointing that out to me, because now I can try to redeem myself. And like I said, redeem my credibility. So, that is how the top and bottom plate go. I'm going to recreate that video, and I'm going to use the Astroblade in it again. I've already prepped my face. I've already also started my Uber lather, the same as my last video. Okay, this only goes one way. Come on. Get on there. Alright, so that is how the blade looks when it's in there. You can see the blade sticking out in the lather channels. That is the right way that this should have been assembled. So I'm going to do it the right way now. So, same razor, same blade. I'm going to do the same Uber lather. And to save time, I already started making my Uber lather. And if you'll remember, or didn't see that one, you take about the size of, the length of your first joint of any kind of shaving cream. And I particularly chose Parasso's shaving cream, the Cypress and Vetiver. And on top of that, I put 4 drops of glycerin. Then, on top of that, let me get this stuff out of the way. On top of that, I heavily loaded my brush with D.R. Harris Naturals shaving soap. Big load on it. And I am using another, this is another Pro brush from Omega. It is the Parasso, made for Parasso Pro Bore brush. So I already started my Uber lather, so it's already going pretty thick here. So I'm going to continue with the process, because I need to add more water to this. So I hope all the mothers out there had a nice Mother's Day. I wish I had my mom still. She was my best friend. I miss her dearly. So you can see this is already, the Uber soap lather's already started. But I need to add some more water because it's still pasty. So I'm adding some more. And it's going to explode even more in my Captain's Choice lathering bowl. Look at that. So have any of you tried my Uber lather technique from the first time I made one to this time? it's really fun because it makes up so much lather. It's not even ridiculous. It's crazy. Craziness. So I'm going to add even more water. And then I'm going to put it to my face. Look at that. Peaky, 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 peaky wonderfulness. My God. Yes, and I will be doing my light shave after this. With all the soap that's going to be left. So, I don't see any bubbles. I am forever blowing bubbles. Yep, I think we're there. What do you think? Alright. Let's add some more water to the face. I had put some Pro Lather on it and let it sit in for about 4 minutes or so. Plus, I did use my cube as a pre-shave. This is the mentholated one. Everything like the last shave I did. So this is going to be a much better shave. Wonderful, wonderful. If you have trouble making a superb lather using this Uber method, you need to turn in your wet shaver's card. Still a little pasty, you can see in the brush. Peaky, 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 peaky. Okay, that's more than wonderful. Clear the snot track. Clear the lips. And let's get on with the shave with the correct orientation. What a difference. So my apologies to Doug Smythe if he ever does see the other video and sees that I put the blade orientation on the wrong way. This is an aggressive razor. I'm surprised I didn't hurt myself having it on the wrong way before. But I didn't. I didn't have any irritation. Much better this way. And as you can see, there's plenty of slickness to go over. Okay. Rinse a little bit of the water. Well, I can tell that I need a lot of cleanup here in my trouble area. Okay, back to the Uber lather. Okay, pass 2. Go across. Okay, let's rinse and check. Okay, still have some work to do here. This Pro Omega brush is also broken in very nicely. They take a while to break in, the Omegas, but I love them. Get good flow through on it as far as letting go of the lather. Lays it down where you put it. Okay. This is actually across the grain for me. You have to rinse it frequently. Okay. And let's do a little touch up here. Still plenty of lather. Whoa, a lot of lather. Okay, little touch-ups. Okay, that's going to be it. I'll take my glasses off and rinse this off, and I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Okay. Off my earrings. Okay, that's it. Now for the fun part, the cold water. Yeah, BBS. And a much nicer shave when you orient the base plate the right way. Definitely. So I hope I've redeemed some of my credibility with you guys by admitting that I did it wrong last time. Like I said, I don't know how I didn't hurt myself, but I got a good shave. A very close shave this time too. Very. Okay, you know the routine. Witch Hazel. Sally's. Very nice. Of course, great post-shave feel again as last time with the Uber lather. I'm just going to dry that. Pat it a little. And I'm going to use some Barbado Aftershave Tonic, or Therapy, Moisturizing Razor Bump Therapy Aftershave Lotion. Shake it up really good to get those ingredients mixed up. Doesn't have a great scent. Somewhere in there, there's some orange flavor. But for the most part, it still smells like kerosene. Let the alcohol waft away before you put it on your face. Yeah, you can smell some orange. Some of the citrus, but this stuff is great therapy. Especially after a close shave like this with an aggressive razor. So, I hope my mea culpa worked. And I am forgiven. Because I never want to not admit that I did something wrong. So, on that note, I will say goodbye for right now. And I think my next shave is... David Benvey asked me to shave with a Supermax. And I don't know if he meant the titanium or the other one. But I'll use the titanium again, although I did review it once. But I think I'll use that. And I have a new toy that I can put it in. So that is what I'll probably do the next time. So on that note, I'm going to say bye for now. And you guys know I love you. Bye-bye.